G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, today I'm playing around with this little steam engine I got from Stirling Kit. It's definitely the best steam engine I've got out of the numerous ones that I've built up and collected over the years. This is really something, I think. It's an amazing steam engine. And anyway, I've been tinkering around with it, done a few mods to it as you would have seen in the previous videos. And I was thinking to myself, I wonder how it would go driving this little generator I made out of the motor from an electric computer case fan. And I've driven it with my other engines and they drive it, but you really want to spin it hard to get enough volts out of it. You know, it lights up these LEDs, but not super bright. So I thought this engine's probably got more than enough power to really spin it hard, and I can rev it quite fast. So I'm going to just try this out and see how it goes. I have got sort of plans to maybe put a column light up with a little lampshade on it. I found a little reflector out of a pencil torch, and I thought, yeah, you could improve this. I mean, this was just an experiment to see if it would work, and it did work, you know. But anyway, we'll fuel up the steam engine and get it going and see how well the little Jenny goes, whether it's worth me considering, you know, putting a column light on it. You know, I'm not going to go to all that trouble with it's not really going to be good enough to power it, you know. So, all right, I'll come back when she's ready to go. Oh, she's away. Oh yeah, it's lighting up. It's still not very high pressure. It's a bit early for it, but oh yeah, look at that. It's not revving very fast so far. Great. Yeah, she's getting going. Yeah, that works well, doesn't it? Wind her up a bit. It's really a great little engine. I mean, it's got just the right amount of power. It's yeah, going well. I'll turn it down and let it build pressure up because it hasn't really got full pressure yet. Now she's got some pressure. The light's really bright. Takes a fair bit to drive this little generator. It's not very efficient compared to the ones you buy. Let it charge up again. Let's open her up again. Oh well, that's enough for now. I've proved my point. I think I will see what I can do as far as putting a vertical overhead light on there, and just play around with this a bit more. I might replace that there with the vertical light. We'll see. Okay, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.